Welcome to our video about Calgary water heater replacement. In this video, we will discuss the signs that indicate it's time to replace your water heater, the different options available, and important considerations to keep in mind. Let's get started. Before diving into the options, it's important to know the signs that indicate your water heater needs to be replaced. Look out for rusty water, strange noises, leaks, and lack of hot water. If you notice any of these signs, it's time to consider a replacement. When it comes to replacing your water heater, you have several options to choose from. The most common types include tankless water heaters, traditional storage tank heaters, and heat pump water heaters. Each option has its own advantages and considerations. Before making a decision on which type of water heater to choose, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. These include the size of your household, energy efficiency, upfront costs, and longevity. Evaluating these factors will help you make an informed decision. Replacing your water heater in Calgary is an important decision. By understanding the signs, exploring the options, and considering the key factors, you can ensure a smooth and efficient replacement process. Thank you for watching.